Namaskar. Myself, Surendra Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I am welcoming to all of you for our daily weather briefing program today, that is 4th October 2021. Let's start the presentation. Here we can see the cyclonic storm Sahin, which was hit over Oman yesterday night, and it become weakened as a deep depression over the North Andaman and adjoining United Arab Emirates, and it is likely to weakening into a depression during next 12 hours. This is the this picture shows the animation of the cloud patches. Now we are talking about the synoptic systems for today, that is 4th October 2021. And we yesterday also mentioned condition continue to remain favorable for withdrawal of southwest monsoon from some parts of northwest India from around 6th October 2021. And the yesterday low pressure area over East Bihar and joining Himalayan West Bengal today has become less marked. However, the associated cyclonic circulation over South Himalayan West Bengal and neighborhood extend up to mid-tropospheric level. And the another cyclonic circulation over coastal Tamil Nadu and adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal, which is also extend up to mid-tropospheric level and tilting southwestward with height. The a trough in easterlies from that cyclonic circulation over coastal Tamil Nadu to the Lakshadweep area across interior Tamil Nadu and Kerala, which is extend up to 3.1 kilometer. And another cyclonic circulation lies over southeast Arabian Sea between 4.5 and 5.8 kilometer of mean sea level. Now we are talking about the observed rainfall during past 24 hours, which was ending 8:30 hours IST of today. We can realize heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Jharkhand, Meghalaya, Tamil Nadu, and heavy rainfall at isolated places over Odisha, South Himalayan West Bengal, West MP, East Rajasthan, Gujarat region, Assam, Konkan, and Madhya Maharashtra. Here some cheap amount is also there as Assam, Meghalaya received maximum rainfall Saura 14 cm, Dhubri and Cherrapunji 8 cm, Jharkhand, Jamshedpur 12 cm, Tamil Nadu, Thani 12 cm, Madhya Maharashtra, Sangli 10 cm, East Rajasthan, Pratapgarh also 10 cm. Gujarat region also received 10 cm over Surat and South Himalayan West Bengal, Kuch Bihar 10 cm, Odisha, Sundargarh 8 cm, and East Uttar Pradesh, Hardoi 6 cm. And interior, North Interior Karnataka, Bangalore also experienced 6 cm rainfall during past 24 hours. Now we are talking about the weather warning and forecast during next 24 hours due to the cyclonic circulation over coastal Tamil Nadu and east-west trough, which gives good rainfall about over southern peninsula. Heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to experience over Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Mahe, and due to the cyclonic circulation over South Himalayan West Bengal, very heavy rainfall is also likely over Meghalaya during next 24 hours. And heavy rainfall also over South Himalayan West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, West Assam, Madhya Maharashtra, South Konkan, Goa, Lakshadweep, and coastal and south interior Karnataka. And including this thunderstorm with lightning and hail, also very likely at isolated places over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and lightning almost entire northwest India during next 24 hours. And for the fishermen warning, squally weather very likely over southeast east central Arabian Sea along and off Kerala coast and Lakshadweep. So fishermen are advised not to enter in these areas during next 24 hours. Now we are talking about weather warning for next 5 days due to the cyclonic circulation over coastal Tamil Nadu and trough, easterly trough, which is likely to shift towards westward from today to during next 2-3 days, good which cause good rainfall amount likely over southern peninsula during next 2-3 days, which is including extremely heavy fall, also likely over Kerala on day 2, that is 5th October as tomorrow, and heavy to very heavy rainfall almost southern peninsula during 5th and 6th, excluding Telangana, Rayalaseema. And day 4, day 5, rainfall is experienced likely over west coast, especially over Maharashtra and interior coastal Maharashtra, interior Maharashtra on 7th and 8th. And here you can see, especially from 6th, from tomorrow onward, no good activity likely to happen over northwest India. It clearly shows which is likely to withdraw our monsoon from 6th October, some parts of northwest India. You can follow us our IMD website mausam.imd.gov.in, as well as many social media platforms as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, blog, and you can also use mobile app to visit us for latest updates, location specific update, and lightning as Mausam app, Damni app, Meghdut app. Thank you very much for listening it.